welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing well and I'm also doing well, and maybe this is gonna be the first English language video on my channel, so nothing for that. I'm just seeing the rain, but no, that's not the thing that I'm gonna do today. There are many things for doing. The first thing first is look at my bed. It's completely scattered up, so I have to. Oh, the water is coming. It's spreading. The first thing first is I have to organize my bed completely. Then I can do. I can move on for the next thing. So I don't know what we'll do, but let's do the thing first. Organize this.
Forth, move my body back and forth.
And guys, if you don't understand what I'm wearing, I also don't know what I'm wearing. So there is a kurti, and with that I have worn shorts. So that is it. It might look very weird, but yeah, okay. So let's go. So let me give you some quick life notifications of mine. So nowadays I am obsessed with books because I have gone through a very bad breakup suddenly. So right now I'm studying, whatever I am doing in my career, I'm studying, but I'm reading a lot of storybooks. The first one that I'm going to show you that I'm currently reading is this one, Too Good to Be True by Prajakta Kohli. And so far I have read, I'm loving the book. It's like the love story that can never happen actually. The kind of love story where you don't get the kind of guy you want, but it is there because of it's a story, right? It can never happen in real life. The story is like that. It can never happen in real life. You can't ever find any guy like this. So the hero and heroine of that book is Aman and Avni respectively. So Aman is some kind of a guy that you can never actually find in real life. Nobody is like that. So be happy with that. But sometimes you like to actually roam around in a imaginary world, like, and if you want to do that, please read Too Good to Be True. But also I have several extra books that I'm going to show you, and you must have heard the names of those books. First is The Alchemist. This is also simultaneously I'm reading The Alchemist. Okay, after completing these two books, or maybe completing Too Good to Be True, I'll be starting Norwegian Wood by Murakami. This is also, I got the suggestion from YouTube that everybody was reading it, and Vidya Balan also read it, so I thought, okay, let's give it a read. And then I have several books. These all are English, and I have several Bengali books as well. But that is not for today. I'll be giving you the suggestions of Bengali books in the next day. So this is The Girl Who Knew Too Much. Okay. So this is by Vikrant Khanna. I got this book on Blinkit because I thought that something is, mysterious. That is why they got the name of the book, The Girl Who Knew Too Much. Let's see what the girl knows. And there is You Can. Now you have so many books which are love stories that it's very definite to have a self motivational or self growth book, that is You Can by George Matthew Adams. And the last but not the least, World's Best Girlfriend by Durjoy Datta. So these all were the books that I'm currently reading or I will be reading. So I just gave you a short kind of book suggestion. If you want to read it, you can read it. But now, this is also not organized, but I'm not gonna organize it right now. Let's go downstairs. Let's see what my father is doing. maybe he's having tea or whatever. Nowadays I'm mad for tea. I don't like I like coffee a lot, but I'm not taking coffee nowadays. I'm not drinking coffee nowadays because I have migraine. A doctor has completely doctor has requested me, please stop drinking coffee. So I'm like, okay, somebody is being too much protective more than me, so I should understand and listen to them. Chalo, um, let's go downstairs and let's see what is happening. Guys, it's been almost 30 minutes that I have told you that I'm gonna go downstairs, but I have not gone yet. Why? Because I was checking my father's profile on Facebook, and suddenly I got to see that he has clicked a beautiful video of raining today, and then he has also given a beautiful kind of short poem along with that video and posted it. So the poem that he has written is, it's in Bengali, and let me tell you that. চৈত্র দিনে নামলো বৃষ্টি ধারা, গাছগুলো আনন্দে আত্মহারা, হৃদয়ে যেন খুশিতে পাগল পাড়া, ফিরল ঘরে বাইরে ছিল যারা। বৈকালের শুভেচ্ছা সবাইকে। And also I also have some kind of interest in writing poems, short poems. So I wrote on the comment section that হঠাৎ বৃষ্টিকে চোখ দেখে চেয়ে, অতীতের কষ্টকে বাড়ি এসে ধেয়ে, মুছে দেয় খরা যেন বহুদিন পর, জলের ফোঁটায় আজ কলরব কর, আনন্দ এবারে করে নে আপন, যেভাবে চৈত্র হলো অকালে শ্রাবণ. So this I wrote, and for that matter I took a bit of time, and that's why I stayed here. But now it's no more staying here, let's go downstairs. And it's true. So guys, my home and the ground floor has been renovated. Like, I'm gonna show you. This is the fact. Those are something you need to ignore. And these tiles are here which have been used for renovation. And also the new granite marble. It's not marble, it's granite. I don't know if it is a marble or not. So the kitchen is like something new to us, and the dining is as well. And let me show you, this room is completely fine, organized. I mean, semi-organized, whatever you call it. But this room, look at this, guys. This room is a complete mess, and I don't even try to make it organized because this always gets like scattered. So every time I give effort to organize this bed, this gets scattered. So I don't like put efforts to something which is not useful, and which will definitely go like again wrong. So yeah, see. And the most important thing, that I have so many clothes, but still when I go outside I don't get any clothes to wear. So because of the clothes, the haphazard is happening more. See, because once there was a time when I thought that I should keep all the clothes of mine in the first floor in the almirah. But the next day when I started getting prepared here in front of this particular mirror, I started getting nothing, because everything stays here in this room, and here in this room I get ready, and I had to go to upstairs and then take the cloth, come downstairs, wear it, and then get ready. So it was being very difficult for me to get ready. So again I one by one took everything downstairs, and that is how this room has been a mess. But one day definitely it will not be like this. I will organize it. So today I'm planning to go shopping because it is Choitro Mash, we Bengalis know, and the Choitro sale is has started since many days, and I have not gone for shopping for many days. And yeah, like I said, I have many clothes since it's Choitro sale, and my home has a habit of going for Choitro sale shopping. So but I'm not gonna go for many of the clothes to buy. But today I'll be buying jeans probably. So I'll be going to pantaloons, and I have gotten 2 kurtis. I'm not gonna show you that because I'm feeling bored up. So whatever, let's see you in the pantaloons. Oh God, see, I'm sweating and I forgot to show you my father. Hello, Baba. Say hi to my YouTube channel viewers.
Hi, hi.
So tell them good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, okay, fine. He doesn't speak too much, but he's a very intelligent person, but doesn't speak too much. Makes us feel like he's not listening to anything, he's not doing anything, he's not understanding anything. But God, he is listening to every F things, and he is knowing everything, he's understanding everything. So don't dare to mess with my father, ever. So guys, I was just feeling that I need to sit to read because it's been a long time that I have not studied because of whatever I have gone through in past few weeks. That those are very tough and the days were very tough, but right now I am in a okay situation, so I can handle everything, I can tolerate basically. So now I feel that I need to sit to read, and I need to study a bit. So today I'm feeling like to do quantitative aptitudes because I am pretty good at reasoning, I'm pretty good at English, I hope so. But quantitative aptitudes is something that I have to develop. Let's start. So now I will be studying. So like I said, I will be seeing you in pantaloons. Tata. Okay, so guys, I'm done with my studies as of now, and my father has made lacha. It's like sweet meat, if you know. My father makes a tasty, and the most tastiest this lacha, paisam, then all these sweet meats, and he makes this. Voila. So now I'm gonna go ready and I'm gonna go get ready and then go to pantaloons again and again. I'm saying you, I have to go to pantaloons and then I'll be buying a jeans because I had two jeanses and both of them got cracked at the place of the two thighs getting in touch with each other, and there, because I have thick thighs, so the jeans is getting cracked every time. So right now I have one choose jeans which is called the skinny jeans, and another one I have a bell bottoms, if bell bottoms, whatever makes sense. So right now I'm gonna go buy skinny jeans again because it is of a light color that I can show you. This is of a very light color, but right now I have a thought of buying a deep colored skinny jeans. So let's go see how we can get it. And so I'm ready. You can see my pants as well, and my father is also ready, and now we are good to go for shopping. Yeah. And today I'm not carrying any kind of purse and wallet because my father is going to pay for me. La la. So we are going. So it's really very jam on the road, and we have taken the auto, and you guys can see or not, I don't know, but there is a full of jam on road. Not jam, but the road is really like busy. So we have reached the mall. Let's go. We went to pantaloons and it was out of our budget, so we are going to trains now. Let's see if we get jeans over there or not. So I have come to trains, and there I have chosen these two colors of jeans. This is ash colored one and this is a blue one. So let's check whether it fits or not. So this color was my first priority and this has fitted me well, and I don't want to take that blue one because already I have a blue jeans. So as this has fitted me well, I'm taking this one. Let's go out. So we are heading towards billing counter. as I have chosen my jeans. Here is the fitting count. Took easy. Now we are going for some other shopping at Smart Bazaar. Oh,
Okay.
no, just Smart Bazaar. That's in the second floor. Second floor, second floor. Chalo. So my father has got something to buy suddenly. So we are heading towards the second floor, which is where the Smart Bazaar is, and I think we have reached. Yeah. See, Smart Bazaar. Chalo, done. Look at him, Baba. What are you finding? He's not in a mood to reply. Chalo, डान दिके चलो. डान दिके चलो. এদিকে এসো. চলে যাও. So we didn't get what my father was looking for. He was actually looking for a wall hanging shelf, something like that. But it's not here in Smart Bazaar. So let's see where we can find, or maybe we'll not find. Baba, jeans ta never na? Na deje? Yeah. Let's go get into the lift, and then let's go to the home. Round. Let's go back to home. So I have reached my home, and my father has gone to sister's house to see her. And I'm happy to be here at my home. It's not my room, by the way, but home is a safe place. Home is a place of peace. So now I'm feeling very hungry, so I'm gonna eat a banana. Along with that, I will have jhal shuji. Do you know jhal shuji? It is like, oops, it was mirror affected. This is jhal shuji, like upma made of shuji. So I'm gonna eat it, and then at 9:30 o'clock I will have my dinner, and like that's it. Now I'll be sitting to read and study again. So that is how much I have done in my day. This is it, and I'm not gonna go ahead with the video. So thank you so much. I hope you have watched it, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Like this video, comment below how it was and how much you enjoyed watching it. And yeah, voila, that's it. Bye bye. So see you in the next video. Till then, tada.